Log number 1. I think this is going to be the base, but I'm just going to go and grab a couple and strip them down and then start trying to figure out, okay, which one's going to go where. But I think I'm going to have to dig out this area so that it can run straight up, because this is farther out than the beam. So I think I may dig, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go and get more of those logs and bring them over here.
Moving straps.
Yeah, I know it's rotten, but I'm working with what I got. That's 2. How many more to go? Who knows? Hey, good morning. It is a balmy 84 degrees right now. Nice and warm. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to work out here because it's supposed to be scorching today. So I'm going to make myself some breakfast. I'm going to chop some firewood, make a little fire, make some breakfast, and then I'm going to trim these because there's water that's sitting in, I flapped it over and there's water sitting in there, so I want to trim those off just so that all the water can drain off. It's been super rainy the last couple days, like ridiculously, and so everything's nice and wet, so I don't have to worry about, you know, fire hazards and stuff like that. So let's get started. seem blatantly obvious to a lot of you, but I'm learning. You gotta, if you don't have a full bed of coals, which I don't, you gotta make sure that you are not putting something right on top of the fire because it'll put it out. I hear sizzling. Eggs, salt, a little bit of milk, and some seasoning called Fox Point. Yeah, I probably should have poured out a lot of that grease. Ah, I knew it. Well, I poured out a lot of the grease. Shit. Well, next project is to build something sturdy that I can put my pan on. Maybe I'll do something with this where I can hang it. I don't know. We'll see. Got my bacon though. Real simple, eggs and bacon. Still got a lot to learn. Still sitting in the smoke. Oh God, bad. Nice easy breakfast. Definitely need a fork.
Simple, but good.
Hey, it's Matt. So I cooked myself some breakfast, and I didn't get to the project that I wanted to, this one, where I'm playing with these logs, but I did get to something else. So I cut off all the tops of all those branches, and I was able to pull the flap down. It's been raining profusely for the last couple days, and honestly, the only water that was here was gathered up in that area because I had the tarp folded over while I was doing some work. But cut off all the tops, got the branches in place. It's still not as filled in as I would like, so I'm going to fill in more of that. I was hoping to use the branches to go across, the vines to go across, but they're not as pliable as I wanted them to be. So I'll probably still keep doing a little bit of that. But the next piece is getting a couple more of these and digging out more of this so that I can build a wall. Let me step over my fireplace. So I can build a wall there, and I'm going to build a wall standing up. That way. So I'm going to dig out all of that a little bit more so that I'm underneath it, and then I'm going to go with the largest log, the longest log that I have, and then I'm going to try and do kind of a Tetris thing. I was thinking about using the Scotch auger. The problem is that these logs are way too thick. My Scotch auger won't go through this. Maybe through that one, but definitely not through that one. So maybe I'll split that one in half. I don't know. What do you think? Why don't you leave a comment? Maybe some suggestions on how I should build that wall. I've got a lot of other stuff. Some of it, there's a really long piece, but it's huge. I don't know if I'm going to be able to move it, at least not by myself. Anyway, I'm out. Hope this finds you well. Get outside, like and subscribe. And oh yeah, by the way, I have over 50 subscribers, and I have one of my videos has 1,000 views. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.